Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Luke. Thank you very much for watching. Do appreciate it. Now we are actually in my Honda Civic Type R today because I've got a couple of add-ons, let's say, that I've done to it. It is a 2015 model FK2, produces 340 brake horsepower with 400 Newton meters of torque. Or is it 500? It's 500. It's 500 Newton meters of torque. I've had it remapped. So yes, well, the first thing I've had done to it is the B-pipe. So if you don't know what a B-pipe is, basically it's essentially a straight pipe. It deletes the resonators on the standard exhaust. Now the standard exhaust has 3 resonators, or air boxes if you want to call them that. And basically what this mod has done is removed that, and it makes the car sound a little bit louder. As we're about to see. So that's what the the first mod is. It's a B pipe that I've added to the car. Makes it sound a little bit louder. It sounds beefier. It sounds like it should sound, you know, as it should come out of the factory, you could say. So yeah, I do like ramming this one. Yeah, it's a fast car. It's kind of hard to talk when you're driving a bit fast because you're trying to concentrate on what you're doing. Okay, so I've pulled over here in this car park here in the Cotswolds because I've received a very special package from somebody. I reached out to them and I asked if I could have something off of them, and they very kindly agreed to give me some. So a big, massive shout out to CF Skins, established in 2020. CF Skins, keep it carbon. Yeah, big, massive shout out. If you want what I'm about to show you, all the contact details are there. Contact details. Yeah, they even gave me some stickers to go on the car. But it's funny I say I got stickers because that is essentially what I've got. What we got are these here. Now I've got to be careful with these because these are real carbon, I believe they're real carbon fiber door sills. They look so good. Like, I don't know if you can quite tell, I don't know if it comes out on camera, but like almost looks like a 3D effect. Oh, they look sweet. They look bang tidy. Okay, so you can see what they look like. I'm just going to get my phone out and show you. Look. Oh. So we've got 2 for the front, 2 for the back, 1 either side on the doors. So, oh, they look awesome. So yeah, what we're going to do now is we're going to put them on. We're going to see what it looks like. I've seen some pictures of them and they look amazing. Let me just show you where exactly they do go. So what will happen is it'll go sort of round about here on each door, and oh, I can't wait. Let's put them on. It's gonna look awesome. Right, let's just close that door. Let's grab one of these. That. So it's going to end up going sort of like there. That's pretty much where it's going to go. What I need to do first is just ensure that the surface is nice and clean. Ooh. Okay. So I take it you can just peel these off. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Look at that, look. Yeah, that's sticky. So it's just a case of putting this where we want it. Got to remember where I start. So I think if I start dead on line with that little bulge there, look. Like that. And then this end, get it relatively tight again. Yeah, that looks good. Let's push that down. There we go. What do you think? That looks awesome. We'll put the back one on next, in as we're next to that door already. There we go. Peel that off. Put the rubbish in my pocket. Okay. We go about there. Grab this end. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, just in case you don't know what I'm driving a Type R. Type R. Right, so we moved over to the driver side now. Again, let's peel this off. This is so easy to apply, guys. I can't get over how good these look. Look at that. That's awesome. Right. Started from back there. Push it up a little bit. Down a little bit. There. There we go. I'm happy with that one. Look how easy that is to apply. Okay, final one. This is the important one. This is the one that's going to be seen the most by me. So let's not ruin this one. Again, let's take that off. Nice and easy. And on the front one, we literally started from where this lip here started, didn't we? Okay, put that there. Grab this end. Work out the level we want. Up there. There we go. That is amazing. So there we have it. Big shout out to CF Skins for sending me them. They look, honestly, they look amazing. Look at that. You see that? Man, I really do like them. So yeah, big thanks to CF Skins. Cheers for the sticker, a couple of stickers, and business card as well. CF Skins, check them out. All the details on the back there. I'm also going to leave links in the description down below as well. So, oh, mate, amazing. Cheers for that. Right, see you soon.